Oh my gosh, look at this view. Oh my gosh. Okay, this ride is worth it alone for that view. But now, let's get back to fun, cute bear theming. Got some honey things. Okay, and we're going. Hello, and welcome to Hello, I am Clutch. Hello, I am Clutch. And I'm here today in the Pigeon Forge area to go on one of their newest mountain coasters that I've never been on. I love mountain coasters. If you don't know what these are, they are basically coasters that use the terrain around the area to use gravity to help you just go down, and they're fun. You get to control your own speed, and I'm here for the Lost Mine mountain coaster. They do have mini golf, but not doing that today. But what's fun about this one is apparently it's really well themed for a mountain coasters. While they're always fun, most mountain coasters just kind of, you go up, you go down, you're through the woods. It's great, it is so much fun, but this apparently has a whole bunch of like bear themes around it. There's some mine themes. You might get lost in the mine, who knows? So we're gonna have a fun time going on this. I don't know if I can oh, well, that was rude, but thanks. So we're gonna go on this. I don't know how much I can film because I don't have a GoPro or anything, but and I want to be safe. So I might just tell you about it or insert footage if I can. We'll see. But otherwise, let's go for a ride on a Lost Mine mountain coaster. Kind of goes against each other because you can't really be in a mine if you're on a coast. It doesn't matter. Come on, let's go. Let's go. All right, so they have the coaster and mini golf, but so it's about $18. But you can find coupons everywhere. But if you do a bundle, you save a little bit of money. And apparently, if you want to come back at night, you can pay just an extra $10 to come ride it again at night. We're not doing that today because it's kind of middle of summer and sun goes down a little late for us. So, but not a bad deal to ride it twice for essentially $28 if you want. So if you're under 38 inches, you have to ride with an adult. And if you're under 54 inches or above 54 inches, you can ride alone. Or you have to ride alone. I can't tell if this is a demand or not. Perfect. You just make it. So the ticket you get is incredibly cool looking. Look at this ticket. Look how cool that looks. That's fun. Like an old-timey railroad stock bond thing. Already, this place is doing great. I just got kissed on my head by water, I think.
No, I put this.
No, that was my sister hitting me in the head. So we're not doing this today, but they do again have the combo if you want to with the mini golf, and it's very cute. And if we zoom in a little, you can see there's lots of fun bear theming everywhere. Very cute, very adorable. So you can spend quite some time here just going on both. Alright, and here we're walking into the main area. Oh, look at this. This is fun. And there's your mine tunnel to start the ride. We're going in. Let's do it. Ah, see, this is what I live for. Look at the pun, the bear pun. It's a terrible pun. I don't care. I love it. This is great. Ah, they don't need to do this. They don't need to go this hard, but they do. This is amazing. Ah. Like, it just sets the mood, sets the theme. I've never been on a mountain coaster like this. It's just usually chains out in the open. This is great. So then you have to climb this ladder to get to the ride.
It goes on forever.
Oh, I don't think that's actually how you gotta go then. So that's good because my knees are terrible. I mean, I'm glad we're not having to wait in this line. Look at this. All this theming. Some music. This is great. Got the bees. Not the bees. And then you're finally there. Fantastic. Alright, we're going to try to take you along for the ride. See how this goes. Holding on tight. And away we go. Thank you. Yeah! And away we go. Alright. Going down the mountain, not looking down yet. Alright. This is gonna be great! Okay, here we go. On the first little turn. So great little thing so far. Little preview of what's to come. But already just all this brush. This is fun and cute. We're gonna have a good time. Up the mountain to the miners' camp. Home sweet home, home, home sweet home. Oh, love the music. All right, so you push down to accelerate. You hold back to go. So we're gonna push down. We're gonna go fast. Let's do it. Here we go. Yee-hoo! Yeah! Oh, we got a full thing going down. Oh gosh, oh gosh. Helix, helix, helix. Ah! Ah! And then immediately slow. Okay. That was a fun first little thing. Okay, pushing down to go. Oh, don't want to stop completely. Okay. And it kind of controls your brake here, so if you're going too fast. All right, time for portion 2. So yeah, this is very different than many other mountain coasters I've been on. Usually it's like one big going up, one big going down moment. Not all this start and stop, but this is fun. It makes it last a long time, and it's just really neat. So you really get to relax in the middle portions, which is fun. But this is, there's so much track here, so this is fun. So here we go. Here goes a nice little into the cave. Let's see what happens. Ah, into the, oh, nope. Immediate slowdown. So I thought that was the next portion. We're not quite there yet, but we get to go through a fun cave now. Here we go into the fun cave. Oh, okay. Ah! I barely saw that. This is great. I mean, and you get to, you're like in the woods here. This is spectacular. Look at this. Oh my gosh. It's quite serene. That's a big lift hill. Here we go. Ah! Oh, that braked on you. Oh, groundhog. Oh, I don't know if we saw it, but there was an actual, looked like a groundhog there. A real one. That's a not real bear, but still, here we go. All right, up we go. Okay, what do we got? And more lift hill. But look at all this cute theming. This is awesome. Oh, it looks like the end of what's the roller coaster? I know it. Big Thunder Mountain. It looks like Big Thunder Mountain. Okay, here we go. Oh, we're still going slow. But there's lots of fun theming, yeah. Look at all this. Okay, no, here, we're starting to pick up. There's a cemetery, let's not end up there. There's a lot of puns, but it's too fast to read. Let's go! Woohoo! Yee-hoo! Ah! Ah! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh, this is a fun part. Oh god! Oh gosh! And into the curves. Full blast, full blast! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Yee-hoo-hoo-hoo! Ah! Oh god. Oh, another little slow down there. Oh, that's fun. That is so fun. Oh. There's just so much happening in such a short amount of time. This is great. Okay. Another lift hill. Here we go. I think there's this third one. I lost count already. And we'll just sit back and relax on this. Oh, I like how it kind of interacts here a little bit. You can see it goes over where we were before. Into that tunnel we had. If you look way in the distance, you can see there's bears working on it for us. That was nice of them. You can hear my brother in the distance having a good time. Yeah, brother! Yeah! I mean, look at the view you got up here. This is great. This is fantastic. I am biased. It's also a gorgeous day we got here. Oh my gosh, look at this view. Oh my gosh. Okay, this ride is worth it alone for that view. But now, let's get back to fun, cute bear theming. Got some honey things. Okay, and we're going. This is great. Here we are. Oh, the honey factory. We don't want to hit it. Woohoo! Oh my gosh, this just keeps going. Yeah, buddy! Oh, we got a steep grade coming. Okay, let's look at, whoa, that's a fun drop. A little bit of air time there. And some more helixes. Helixi? Helixay? Oh! All right, whew. Getting a little dizzy, but having a great time. Okay. And it slows you down. And now we come to another fun lift hill. But look at all the cuteness happening here. Is this the 3 pigs? I don't think it is. It kind of looked like it. It's an outhouse. Cute little, oh, there's a guy in there. And you got there's zip lining here, which is classic. I mean, that's what you do in the Gatlinburg Pigeon Forge area. Okay, I think that was our last climb. So here we go, our last fun bit down to the end. Let's do it. Get in ready, set, and go! Woo! Oh, that was great. Oh, a little bit more. Woo! Oh, that was so fun. All right, that was something else. That was a fun ride. Oh, that canary's dead. That's not a good sign. Exit through the gift shop. So when you're done with your ride, you can get these little foil stickers, and you use a little stamp to get a little thing that says like, you survived. That's fun. And you put it on your ticket. And then in the gift shop, they got a lot of fun little stuff. They got fun shirts, they got bags, got some mugs and some other things here. Not bad. Like, let's see how much we got here. $13 for these mugs. That's not too bad, but I like this. You can get a little, let's see here. You can get a branded Lost Mine little gold nugget squishy thing, so that's fun. So, a lot of cute little things. And so that was the Lost Mine mountain coaster. And I know I say this like all the time because I just do. It exceeded expectations. It was so much fun. Like, usually I'm not the biggest fan of the starting and stopping, the up and the down. I like the big one up, big one down, but this, because of the theming and what was in between, was so much fun. I mean, it was about an 8-minute long ride, I think. We can look at the video later to figure that out. But it was great. Now, they did let me film with my camera, but they said I could lose it. I don't have a GoPro. I literally just have a Sony ZV-1 that I was holding with my hand like I do, so be very careful if you do that. It's nice that they let you do that, but that was treacherous, but I wanted to show you all. But it was fun. It is absolutely worth it. It's about the price of what most mountain coasters cost around the Pigeon Forge Gatlinburg area, but again, the theming was great, the fun was there. It was really easy. I felt like from the mountain coasters I've been on, this was easier to control my speed than most. But it's a good time. It is absolutely worth doing it. And again, you can take your ticket back at any point the same day and ride it again at night for an extra $10. They were very friendly about it, giving us all that information. So absolutely recommend this place. So for now, I'll leave you with that. Glad you could come along with me, and I'll say goodbye. I am still Clutch. I mean, I've heard of waterboarding, but coaster boarding doesn't sound like a punishment. That sounds great, actually.